Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explaining how to view multiple sheets and files side by side in Excel. Let's get to start. We will look at the most common reason we have two sheets and that we want to compare, and they are in the same workbook. I want to open them to view both sheets side by side. Click on the View tab from the menu bar. In Window Group, click on New Window tab. This will open another window of the same workbook. Then on the View menu, click on View Side by Side tab. Now you can view two sheets side by side and horizontally. You can view these sheets vertically. For that, under View menu, click on Arrange All tab. Here you will see four options. We select here vertical and then click on OK. You can click the sheet name to view your desired sheets in both windows. Next, we will see how to open to multiple files side by side to view different sheets from different workbooks side by side. Firstly, open two or more files which you want to view side by side. Then click on View tab in this window group. Click on View Side by Side. In case you have more than two files open, the Compare Side by Side, a dialog box will open, and you have to choose the workbook to be compared with the active one workbook. You can change default view side by side positions. For that, click the Arrange All tab under the View tab. In the Arrange Windows dialog box will open. Select vertical to place the sheets next to each other, or here you can choose other option, which will be best for you. Tiles windows are arranged as equally sized squares in the order you open them. Cascade windows overlap one another from top to bottom. One more handy feature that you may like, a synchronous scrolling. It allows scrolling both sheets at the same time. Click again to turn off synchronous scrolling. I hope, friends, you find this video helpful information. If so, please do like and subscribe my channel to see more such content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, take care yourself. Bye bye.